In this video, I want to show you how to view your Linux distro name and version. Your Linux distribution name, that's another word for it, another phrase for that. Your Linux distribution name and the version. So to do that, we are going to be making use of the cat command. So with the cat command, which is cat, then we are going to be looking at a file inside the etc directory. So because I don't know the file in which it may be located, so I am just going to type the asterisk. And definitely the file containing the distro name and version is always contained in a file with the name ending with the word release. So I'm going to type release. So this in the information is contained in the file in the file containing this particular word. So after typing this, I'm just going to press enter. So with this now, I can now see the distro name and the version of my Linux system. So that is a very simple way of viewing your Linux distro name and the version. So in this case, the Linux distro name, I am making use of the CentOS and the version is 6.9, version 6.9.